The worst lift in South Bank. This horrible IMEM sensors that used to be a Schindler Hydro. And now it's an IMEM because the Orbitz ruined it. Please bust your one's family because they'll break. Because they're crap. Feels about the same build quality as a Kleeman. Yeah, that's about the same build quality as a Kleeman. Got any motor?
Quick close it.
Lift right up.
So that was B2.
Yeah, that's B2.
Ground floor. Doors opening.
I want B1, don't I? That motor's been replaced, definitely. Listen to that.
Lift going down. Basement 2.
Door closed one's original, but the rest are
Doors
replaced.
opening.
I think you can access the other one from down here. I'll do that later, but I'll finish this one. Make sure it moves. IMEM makes the crappiest logic. Pump house. Huh, that's what Centerpoint has. Yeah, under surveillance. The 360 camera. That's a bit unnecessary, but whatever. Those buttons are similar to... Oh, I don't think they're similar to anything actually, but... The basement one, so I can get the other one. I think the other one only goes to basement one. The door lock light. Yeah, surprising one. That's with doors. I think the doors are replaced as well. Still the original track, but the doors itself are replaced. With Witter equipment. Because they can't afford Smatic or AMD apparently. Even though it's the same brand, it's just a cheaper version of Witter. Witter's bottom AMD, Witter's the worst, and it goes going up.
Roger.
Lift going up. Basement 1. Doors opening.